Today, we are going to talk about a tragedy which nobody would have thought of coming. I'm covering or talking about one of the darkest days in Indian aviation Dreamliner that never flew again, claiming over 240 lives. Beyond the profound human tragedy, this incident has triggered one of the India's largest insurance claims, exceeding 1500 crore rupees. Now, this isn't just about money, it's reshaping global risk assessment for the Indian aviation industry. I'm Shivli Das, and we are discussing one of the darkest chapter in Indian aviation, a Dreamline tragedy that claimed over 250 lives. This devastating incident has become one of India's largest ever insurance claims, with total exposure exceeding a staggering 1500 crore, dwarfing even GoFirst total dues. The financial fallout is immense, including 650 to 700 crore for aircraft loss and over 240 crore in passenger liability. For Air India, this single incident effectively wiped out multiple years of its 250 crore annual insurance premium. Now, while Indian insurance like Tata, AIG are involved, a crucial 95% of the risk was reinsured globally by giants such as AIG and Lloyds of London, meaning they will bear most of the cost. Beyond the money, the consequences are severe. Global reinsurers are reassessing risks in Asia, potentially marking India's wide body market aircraft as high risk. This will lead to higher insurance premium for airlines and tougher aviation deals. Now, the markets will adjust. The immeasurable burden of the more than 240 families remains. Our thoughts and prayers are with them for their loss and for the safer future in aviation. Now, human tragedy where it costed more than 250 lives, a dark day for Indian aviation industry. Massive claim over 1500 crore, total insurance exposure, financial breakdown, aircraft passenger liability, legal miscellaneous costs will continue to grow. Global reinsurance 95% risk covered for and by international giants. Market repercussions, India flagged high risk, rising premiums, tougher deals. Beyond money, irrecoverable loss for more than 240 families. Now, this aviation tragedy highlights the profound human financial ripple effect of such disasters. While the insurance industry grapples with a monumental claim, the deeper consequences lies in reassessing safety standards and risk perceptions globally, particularly for India. What are your thoughts on strengthening aviation safety protocols to prevent such future tragedies which will go down in history? Share your prayers and comments below for those who were drastically affected.